Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I got something a little different. Yes, I do have a model, a fantastic model right here, but today it's all about men's fashion photography, and today I'm going to be using the Nikon Z8 with the Z 135mm PLENA lens, and you all know how much I enjoy that lens. So before I get into it, I first want to introduce the model for today.
What's up, everybody? It's Sean Anthony here. You can find me on Instagram at Sean.McDevitt1. Come check me out.
And Sean, who are you wearing today?
You see I got the cowboy fit on. You guys maybe see a little bit of the boots, you know what I mean? So repping a little bit of cowboy fit, so, you know.
And who's the designer?
I didn't get his name, actually. But,
okay, don't worry.
We'll have to tag him down below or something, you know what I mean? But he's definitely got the good stuff on for us today.
Awesome. With that said, how long have you been modeling for?
Less than half in a year.
Really?
Yeah,
okay, you did a great job yesterday.
Appreciate it. Just getting started, you know, learning on the go. So,
okay, there you go. So I'm going to leave in the description section his contact information. That's his IG. If you need a male model to work with for an upcoming project, hit him up. With that said, we're going to get to this photo shoot. I'll be sharing the photos. You want to stay tuned. Make sure you like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. So let's get to it. Oh, this is gonna be nice. Okay, let me get a nice full body. Let's see the way this jacket is covering you, right? Because I know you're slimmer than exactly. Let's play with that. So I would open this up, open that up, and just play like putting one behind. Does that make sense? And just because we want to see some figure, if that makes any sense. Yeah, because it looks too boxy. Yeah, there you go. See? All that was like, you just did like 3 poses right there. Yeah, right there, don't move. Cool, yeah, there you go. Cool, now look at me. Yep. Good job. Cool. Wipe your hands like you're wiping your hands. Yeah, there you go. Good. Like this. Look at me. Yeah, like that. Exactly, right there. Can we? Let me see you use that jacket as a cape. Yeah. No, take it off and just like over your shoulders. Let me just see what it looks like. Okay, you know what? Fuck it. Yeah, like, hold on, don't move. Yeah, that'll work. That'll work. Hey, there you go. Now, you know we got to get these boots. Yeah, I was thinking, yeah, exactly. Let me, yeah, that's, I like that. Got the kind of the Superman, the hero pose right here. Cool. Good. Now look at me. Yeah. Now look at my other way. There we go. Right there. Very cool. I like that a lot. Now, let's see how we can do this here. Where's your hand? Let me see your hands. Maybe something like, yeah. I like that. Now, your legs. Bend one of them. Yeah, there you go. Good. Good. Look out that window. Good job. Now, right there, don't move. Look at that window. Now, eyes at me. Just the eyes. Just the eyes. Good. Bam. Oh yeah, I got boots earlier, and then now let's play with a different situation. Let's watch out with this white part. It comes right off. But I was thinking something like, you know, shit. You might not see it as much, but I want to play off this,
I can do like the shoulder thing again,
okay,
and then just do my elbow.
perfect. Let's try that. Yeah, nice. I'm already gonna like it. I can feel it in my bones. Cool. Let me see. You're like this. So really bend it. Yeah, bring that. See my toe? Bring it back. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, exactly. Good. Now, yes, like that. That's exactly what I was about to say. That's it right there. That worked. That was awesome. Yeah. Dude, look at that. Look at that. Fire. Super nice.
Cool.
Now let's get some headshots, like from waist up. Yeah, I like how you're slinging it over your shoulder. Wear the jacket. Go for it. No. Yeah. Let me see the jacket. I like the jacket. It covers you up so much.
Yeah.
You know.
Maybe I can do like one hang like this.
Yeah. Oh. Now do like a lazy kind of like a yeah. Good. Chin down the hair. Good. Yeah, I like that. Now, your legs are kind of locked. Like just relax one of the yeah. Oh, this is fire. This is fire. Right there. This is good. Good. Look out that window. Yeah. That's fire. Yeah, that looks like an editorial. This could literally be in the catalog, like pow, if that's what he needed, or a lookbook. You know what I mean? The looking is great, but I just dig that. It just looks effortless. Yeah, one of those is. I like this one because it shows the jawline. Jawline's better there. Very clean, man. Cool. Very cool.
Now we're able to get some good ones.
Hey, we got some real good. Let me get a couple of headshots though. Yeah. Let me see. Oh shit, this is nice. Hold on. Okay. Gosh, I wish if this was actually fitted for you, I think it would be it's such a cool jacket. It's just a little bit more because it's hiding you so much.
Yeah.
So when you come down here, yeah, you want to do something like where does that make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think he wants me to have a button.
He does want a button? All right,
maybe
well,
I
listen
can-
to the designer.
Yeah, I mean,
But, because
I'll talk to him about
the
it.
designer's a boss. There you go, brother. That's solid.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's a good
Make me a
profile.
profile picture.
Hey, follow me on Instagram. I'll send you the picture.